Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing the Vision Pro ZEISS Optical inserts. So these are the prescription inserts for my Vision Pro. Nice looking package. Came on the same day that Vision Pro came, so they timed that perfectly. Let's see. Nice quality pull tab. See how the product looks. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Prescription optics by Apple and ZEISS. That's cool. Then it's you pull it out like so. ZEISS is the leading lens manufacturer. Okay, got some instructions. Nothing too exciting there. Here we go. What you've all been waiting for. Oh, little QR code. Wow. That is nice packaging. Looks like you scan the QR code. Let's see what these look like. Oh, so really light. Yeah, really light. Believe they're magnetic and magnetically attached to the Vision Pro, so gonna try this out now. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about these. Cool. Hope you're all enjoying your Vision Pro and talk to you next time. Later.